Tony from Ampere EV, and today we're building a high voltage junction box. This is something we do completely in-house, everything we've designed, all new components. We've installed the contactor, the pre-charge and discharge relays with their respective resistors and fuses. We'll move this to the side. We're going to start pre-assembling our high voltage fuse panel that goes inside the junction box. We'll put the wires on, that'll go in the box, and then that'll be ready to put inside the box. So we pre-assemble, we'll make all of these connector wiring in-house. There's all stainless steel, so from there we'll install all of these guys onto their fuses. We've got two 30 amp fuses, two 20 amp fuses, and a 10 amp fuse, all for different things. AC compressors, chargers, heaters for the cabin and for the batteries. All your high voltage components, their power comes from here. The CCS is for the fast charging. That's what controls the power flow and monitors the charging coming in and out. The junction box, it takes the high voltage and it puts it out to these 5 fused locations. And then we'll torque all of these and then mark them so we can visually see that they have been torqued. Get our high voltage connectors ready to go in. These are already cut to length. So from here, I'll just strip these guys and put on the pins that go on each wire. Let me set those to the side. Now we're going to open up the junction box. And then set this to the side. All right, now that we have the junction box, we can install our plate and everything in. And then these come back and get installed. That was your high voltage input and output, and this was the high voltage interlock, which is connected to the isolation and everything as well. So after that, then these connectors get put on and they go in and they get bolted on. And this is the high voltage outputs for all your different components. We have 5 that you can use, and you don't have to use, like some of them you don't have to use if you like don't have AC in the car. We have dummy plugs that you can put in there that will still keep your interlock, your loss of isolation and everything connected, but it just won't supply power out. Start working on our cable management. All the main components are in, all your outer connectors are bolted in. Then we'll assemble the busing for everything that puts all the power through the box. So we'll start with the outputs for the fuses. And this will be your negative in bus. Next is this guy. This is your positive in bus. And this is your positive out bus. And that's it. That's a complete box ready for testing.